Welcome back. So the reason why I wanted to put this in a separate tutorial is that we're going to be using something really cool. So let's add in a variable here and we'll call this temp color. All right, and we'll make that equal to, and we're going to make this an array. Now, normally when you think of arrays, it's either like a string array, which is nothing but characters, or a number array, which is nothing but numbers, but it can actually be colors too. It can be any kind of data that you want. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste this 1, 2, 3, and 4 times. 4, 3, and 3, and 2. Let's see, it should be 1, 2, and then 3. All right, just like that. So this temp color is going to be the color of the correct square. Now, let's take a look at this because it gets a little bit complicated here. We're going to say if color choice, okay, and remember the color choice is the correct color, is equal to 0, we're going to say square 0 dot color is equal to temp color, and it's going to be color choice. Pretty cool stuff. Square 1 dot color is equal to, and then we'll say incorrect color 0, and we can go to square 2 dot color is equal to incorrect color 1, and then lastly we have square 3 dot color is equal to incorrect color 2. So we're printing the correct color in the form of this array. And then what we're also doing is we're also printing the incorrect colors. Next thing we need to do is we need to set the names of these objects here. So one thing I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to copy this and paste it, and I'm going to delete everything. So we have square 0, square 1, square 2, and square 3. We're going to go dot name is equal to, we'll call this correct. Okay? And then this name, we'll say dot name is equal to incorrect 0. And I'm going to copy this whole thing now and paste it twice. Now we're going to give the incorrect squares the name of the incorrect. We're going to give the incorrect squares an incorrect name. All right. Now you can see how this is set up. 0 is equal to 0, which 0 is correct here. So this kind of organization saves you time in the long run. Okay, so let's just do this one by one here. So this is going to be correct choice color 1, and we will cut this out and paste it in here, and we'll do incorrect color 2, and I like to switch up the colors as much as I can. But now we're going to say that this is, and we'll keep the incorrects as 0. Okay, so 1, 1, 1. It's just that simple. Now we just have to repeat this process 2 more times. Okay, 2, so this becomes 2. We'll make this 1, 0, and we might as well say incorrect color 2. All right, and we'll just say that here, and we'll make that like this. All right, so, and one more time, we're almost finished here. So what this is going to do is that this is going to select the correct square to be the color here. And then we'll say incorrect color 1. We might just make that, well, we can make this 2 and 1 like that. And we're so close to being finished here. We'll take this and put that down at the bottom here. And we'll copy and paste that here. So all this is saying is that the correct color choice is being set to 1, 2, and 3. Now, at the end of all this, you do have to randomize the colors. Now, generally, printing items or In this case, we're setting colors. We should set that as the last thing that we do, because if you try and set the color to something that doesn't exist, it's kind of like dividing by zero. It just doesn't work. Okay, so let's take a look at this and let's run it. I want to make sure that all of your items are working here. And you know what? That actually looks pretty good. And those colors don't look too bad either. We will be theming this just a little bit better. But for now, let's go, and that is looking pretty good. We have a nicely themed app here. What we need to do now is set the logic and the score and the reset and everything like that, right? This includes a tutorial.